Hi, my name is Kate Quinn. I'm an educator for So Steady and for Janome products, and I'm so thrilled. This is my first year teaching for AQS. So they asked me to give a tip, and since ruler work is my passion and what I am most commonly known for, I thought that my tip will be relevant for that. A lot of times in class, students ask me, well, you know, this is really easy when you do it on a flat piece of fabric. There's no seams, everything else. And they want to know how to have that same process be so easy when they're working with ruler work and they have a pieced project. And the most important tip that I want to give people is better piecing is going to make better quilting. It's very important that you pay attention to your seam allowances and to your pressing and trying to make your seams as flat as possible, because the ruler height needs to be kissing the fabric as you're sewing. If you can have flatter seams, you're going to have a much better product as you're moving around. It is not unusual that you may need to move your ruler foot up and down a little bit if you do have a bulkier seam or things like applique that are on the surface of your quilt. So an example of that is this is fairly easy to quilt. This type of whole cloth, it's going to be very simple. There's not any adjustment to the ruler foot, but some manipulation may be required when you have a piece that is more patchy and has more seams. So that's my best tip. We have a lot of great information and ruler education online. My YouTube channel is Quilting with Kate Quinn, a Fabricated Quilts. And we also have a ton of information on Facebook. There's hundreds of videos that we did throughout COVID that So Steady still has available. And we also have some Janome rulerwork videos online. Love sewing with templates and just quilting in general. I'll hope you come join me and find some beautiful and awesome tips that can help make your quilting better. Have a great day, you guys. Thanks from AQS.